Hey everyone, looking to earn some extra cash online but don't have much experience? In today's video, we'll show you the easiest ways to make money online. Whether it's through surveys, cashback apps, or even selling stuff you don't need, there's something here for you. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about online surveys. You can sign up with platforms like Tuluna, LifePoints, and Mobrock. These platforms pay you to share your opinions on products and services. It's not big money, but it's an easy way to earn something on the side. Next, we have cashback apps like Snap and Save. Simply upload your shopping receipts and get cashback on your purchases. It's a great way to earn passively while doing your usual shopping. Got stuff lying around? Well, why not sell it online? Platforms like Gumtree, Buy, and Facebook Marketplace make it super easy to sell your unused items, whether it's clothes, electronics, or even furniture. Freelancing is another great way to make money online. Sites like Fiverr and Freelancer let you offer simple services like data entry or virtual assistants, even if you don't have much experience. Microtasks are a quick way to make money. These are quick jobs you can do online with platforms like Clickworker and Microworkers. You can also participate in paid focus groups with sites like Respondent.io. Earn cash just by sharing your opinions. Affiliate marketing is another easy way to make money online, and you don't even need a website. Sign up for programs like Take a Loss Affiliate Program or Loot.co.za and start promoting products on social media. Every sale made through your link earns you commission. Finally, if you prefer something more active, try gig economy apps like Mr. Delivery Food or Bolt. Whether it's delivering food or driving passengers, these platforms offer flexible ways to make money on your own time. And there you have it. These are just a few beginner-friendly ways to make money online with no experience needed. So why wait? Start exploring these platforms and turn your spare time into cash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on everything life. See you in the next video. Bye.